What if I told you your credit score might be costing you thousands of dollars every single year, and most people don't even realize it? Bad credit doesn't just stop you from getting approved. It can affect your loans, your credit cards, your car payments, even the interest rates you pay for years. And here's the crazy part. Banks understand the credit system better than you do, and they profit when people stay financially confused. So in this video, I'm exposing 5 credit repair secrets banks don't want you to know in 2026. And secret number 5, most people discover it way too late. Let's start with the first secret. Negative items don't always stay forever. A lot of people think one missed payment destroys their future permanently. That's false. Credit reports can contain outdated information, reporting mistakes, duplicate accounts, and even incorrect balances. And if information is inaccurate, you have the legal right to dispute it. Most people never check their reports carefully, which is exactly why errors stay there for years. Secret number 2, your credit utilization matters more than most people think. Even if you pay your bills on time, maxing out your cards can crush your score. Here's what smart people do. If their credit limit is $1,000, they avoid using more than 30%. Why? Because lenders see high utilization as financial stress. Low utilization tells banks you're disciplined with money, and discipline increases trust. Now, secret number 3, and this is powerful. Paying off debt does not always increase your score instantly. A lot of people expect their score to jump overnight after paying balances. But credit systems track patterns over time. Consistency matters more than one big payment. That means on-time payments, responsible usage, and long-term financial behavior. Banks love predictable borrowers. Secret number 4, closing old credit cards can actually hurt your score. Most people think, I paid it off, so I should close it. Wrong move. Older accounts help build credit history length, and that impacts your score significantly. Closing accounts can reduce your total available credit and increase utilization instantly. That's why financially smart people often keep older accounts open, even if they barely use them. Now here's secret number 5. The wealthy use credit differently than average people. Most people use credit to buy liabilities, clothes, phones, lifestyle upgrades. But financially intelligent people use credit strategically. They build business credit, protect their utilization, use rewards intelligently, and maintain strong payment history. To them, credit is not emotional. It's a financial tool. And that mindset changes everything. Because your credit score is basically a financial reputation. The stronger it is, the more opportunities you unlock. Better loans, lower interest rates, higher approvals, more leverage. That's why fixing your credit can literally save you thousands over time. But remember this, credit repair is not magic, it's consistency. The people who improve their credit fastest are usually the ones who become financially disciplined in every area of life. Because money habits always reveal themselves eventually. So if your credit score is low right now, don't panic. Your current score is not your final financial future. You can rebuild, you can improve, and you can become financially stronger starting today. If this video helped you, subscribe for more videos about money, credit, business, and financial freedom. And comment, fix the score if you're serious about leveling up financially in 2026.